Good morning dear students. Today I am explaining the HTML tag. Okay, in HTML tag previously I am explaining the tag having enclosed in angle bracket. Like here I just give that example like angle bracket HTML. Okay, and one more important thing is here that HTML is a not case sensitive. It means by if I am giving the lowercase previously in tag in lowercase and after that I just close that tag with the uppercase. Okay, so it take it as a same tag. It's not differentiate, it is both are different. Okay, and today I am explaining container tag and empty tag. Container tag is a tag that contains the elements and it need to opening tag as well as closing tag, just like in HTML. Okay, and empty tag is a tag that does not have need to that does not contain anything and does not need to close it. Like here I explain, just I open the body tag and close the body tag. Okay, one slash marks I will insert at the front of the name of tag, so it's work as a body tag. Now here I am giving again the word hello India, suppose I am given. Okay, and here I just give one empty tag HR tag, and HR tag is an empty tag, we don't need to close it. The full form of HR tag is horizontal ruler. Okay, it make one line just below the hello word. Just look it. First what we are doing, file menu, save, then here I am giving the name of HTML. Suppose here I am giving it's my second HTML file, so second dot HTML, and I just change its all type. Okay, then after I just decide the location desktop and save. Okay, and then we just look at the desktop second where is. Okay, look at here carefully, hello India, then one line is there with the help of HR tag. Now again we just move to our notepad. Where is my notepad? Yes, this one. So empty tag is a tag which not need to close it and it does not contain itself anything. And second empty tag BR tag, suppose I am writing the letter like the India is a big country, and then after I am giving the tag BR tag, and I love my India. Look at what's happened. Control S, Alt tab, where is this one? Okay, then here I press F5, refresh button. Look at both line is coming separate. This the India is big country and I love my India. Suppose if I am just deleted the BR tag from there, there is no here. Okay, now what happen if I am deleting the BR tag on here, then Control S, Alt tab F5. Okay, look at what happened. The second line is come in merge with the first line. India is a big country and I love my India. In previously I explained that okay, look at here, there are so many gaps between these two lines, but our output is like here. Okay, in our output, in our web pages, both lines are combined, but if I am inserted the BR tag in between, BR, okay, alt tab, then again we are going to here and refresh button. What happened? ओके ठीक है, तो इस तरह से बी आर टैग का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर दिस वी आर यूजिंग बी आर टैग एंड एच आर टैग, बोथ आर एम्प्टी टैग. एच आर टैग इज यूज टू make horizontal line and BR tag is used to break line. Okay, it is basically used to change the line. Okay, and second way we are using, just like if I am not using too much space, suppose I am giving BR tag on here and second line on here, in between two line I just inserted the BR tag in notepad, then again control S, alt tab, then here we just refresh it. Okay, so it will be not changed because we are inserted the BR tag on here. Okay, then if I am inserted HR tag, what happen? Oh sorry, I am not save it. Control S, then alt tab, then refresh. Not work properly. ओके ठीक है, तो इस तरह से एच आर टैग वर्क करता है. फॉर दैट एच आर टैग वन में वर्क